Oswald book, sample paper math, class 10th, standard, self-assessment paper 3, part A, section 1st, question number 1. Find the LCM of 6, 72 and 120. In this problem, we have to find the LCM of 6, 72 and 120. Firstly, we will represent 6, 72 and 120 as product of prime number. So 2 into 3. 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. From here, LCM will be, firstly, 2 is common in 3. Here 3 is common in all 3. Now pair of 2 is common in these 2. Here pair of 2 is common and the remaining one is 3 and 5. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this will be equals to 8 into 9 into 5. 8 9 is 72 into 5. This will be equals to 360. So our answer is 360. Question 1. After how many decimal places will the decimal expansion of 23 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3 terminate? In this problem, we have given 23 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3. We have to find after how many decimal places the decimal expansion will terminate. So firstly, we will make equal pair of 2 and 5. So here 2 is 4 and 5 is 3. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So this will be equals to 23 into 5 will be 115 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. This will be equals to 115 upon 2 into 5 की power 4. This will be equals to 115 upon 10 to the power 4. So 115 upon 10 to the power 4 will be equals to 10,000. So this will be 0.0115. So it will terminate after 4 decimal places. This is our answer. Question number 2. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation x square plus 2 root 2 kx plus 18 equals to 0 has equal root. In this problem, we have given a quadratic equation x square plus 2 root 2 kx plus 18 equals to 0. We have to find the value of k so that the roots of this quadratic equation are equal. We know that when the roots of quadratic equation are equal, then discriminant d, that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So from here a will be equals to 1, b will be equals to 2 root 2k and c will be equals to 18. Now discriminant d, that is b square minus 4ac. So b is 2 root 2k. So 2 root 2k whole square minus 4, a is 1 into c is 18 equals to 0. So 2 root 2k whole square will be equals to 8k square and 18 4 are 72 equals to 0. So 8k square will be equals to 72. So from here k square will be equals to 72 upon 8, that is equals to 9. So from here k square will be equals to 9. So k will be equals to under root 9. So from here k will be equals to plus minus 3. So k will be equals to plus 3 or minus 3. This is our answer. Question number 3. Find the distance of point P minus 6, 8 from the origin. In this problem, we have given a point P whose coordinate is minus 6, 8. We have to find the distance of point P from origin O. We know that coordinate of origin is 0, 0. So distance between point P and origin O will be d, that is given by under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Putting value here 0 minus 6 whole square plus y2 0 minus 8 whole square. Minus minus will be plus, so 6 square will be 36. 0 minus 8 will be minus 8 and minus 8 square will be 64. So 64 plus 36 will be 100. So D will be equals to 10 unit. This is our answer.